In this video, I will tell you what is B2B blogging along with its benefits as well as tips for beginners. Stakeholders frequently assume blogging is a long-term and ultimately low-impact marketing strategy for demand creation because so much of B2B business is centered on creating strong, personal relationships with clients. However, the reality is that blogging can be a potent tool for creating a distinct niche for your brand within your sector. And a strong SEO plan may help you increase your authority, capture demand over time, and boost your overall online traffic. This video examines some typical advantages of successful B2B blogging and offers some advice on how to get started. Let's discuss B2B blogging. The B2B sector is still catching up to its retail counterpart, despite the fact that 45% of marketers believe that blogging is the most crucial part of their content strategy. So what does B2B blogging actually mean? Simply put, B2B blogging refers to the development of a specific web page on your website for pertinent material, typically articles referred to as blog posts. Your blog can also contain additional types of multimedia material, such as extended white papers or ebooks, educational movies or podcasts, and practical infographics. What makes B2B blogging so crucial? A HubSpot survey found that 42% of businesses have gained new clients through their blogs. Blogs may be a terrific method to build your brand voice and tone, target prospects at different phases of the marketing funnel, and raise brand recognition. However, B2B blogging should be a major component of your marketing plan for more reasons than customer acquisition. Blogging raises your web store's organic search engine positioning, increasing qualified website traffic. You can gain much more market share than even your most established rivals by producing pertinent content that informs and empowers your clients. It's no longer a secret that you need a blog for your B2B company. Blogs help your SEO strategy and get you ranked higher on Google, but they also drive traffic to your business pages for your services and products. Here are a few key benefits of B2B blogging. Staying relevant. When you post regularly, visitors can see that you're active in the space and posting timely content. Establishing expertise. Companies that blog show their audiences that they both know their stuff about their industries and stay up to date on the latest news. Gaining new customers. Make it easier for people to find your content when they turn to Google for answers. They'll learn about your business and hopefully want to work with you. Rounding out your website, blogs provide fun, engaging content that speaks to what your targets care about. This allows your website to offer more than just price lists and about pages. Blog posts are a must, and the right content will engage and excite other business leaders. This creates more meaningful connections. Now I will explain to you some benefits of B2B blogging. Even though it is a well-known advantage of blogging, customer acquisition is a long-term tactic. This does not imply, however, that B2B businesses should abandon a well-planned blog from their marketing mix. The advantages of B2B blogging are equally significant to your bottom line. Number 1 is regular customer updates and transparency. It's critical to be able to differentiate yourself from your rivals in the face of a supply chain crisis and market saturation. One major advantage of blogging is that it enables you to build a readership of people who identify with your company and its main message. You build a line of communication with your customers by being upfront about what you're doing and sharing that with them, which results in a more customized purchasing experience. Number 2 establishes your company as a leader in the field. A highly effective technique to develop your company's voice in a crowded field is thought leadership. Whatever your voice, blogging gives you a platform to build and set your company apart from rivals. Blogging enables you to spend some time concentrating on your brand voice and tone. Number 3 to create a library of content that can be reused indefinitely. The success of an omni-channel marketing strategy depends on its content. By blogging, you can stay committed to creating a regular flow of quality information. This can then be dissected and reused as blog entries, display adverts, email campaigns, and other things. By starting with your blog, you can concentrate on what matters to and appeals to your target market, which is a good place to begin for your marketing approach. Let's talk about 3 main tips that depend on your goal. We've undoubtedly persuaded you to try B2B blogging if you've come this far. Here are some helpful hints to get you going. Like your first goal is that I want to boost my web store SEO. Try to rank for certain keywords. This is an excellent place to start if you want to build a blog that achieves the SEO objectives for your online store. Don't be afraid to be as particular and specialized as you can. Material with long-tail keywords will frequently rank more quickly than broad phrases, for which you'll be up against many other websites. Since more websites likely already rank for broad or short-tail keywords, these are more difficult to rank for. Your second goal is that I want to position my brand as a pioneer in my sector. Before you begin writing blog posts, Try coming up with your brand's voice and tone in a brainstorming session. Are you knowledgeable and affable, or are you supportive and helpful? Whatever your technique, maintaining a consistent tone can make your material more recognizable and help you stand out from the crowd. Your third goal is that I want to develop demand and leads. Tip: you may sometimes gate longer form material to generate leads through your blog, especially in the form of white papers or ebooks. Be cautious when using this strategy because there is a lot of freely available information out there. You need to make sure your offer has enough inherent value to compel users to fill out a form. If not, you risk having a greater drop-off rate. Conclusion: although blogging is not a marketing strategy in and of itself, it is essential to your entire outreach objectives. According to HubSpot data, 89% of marketers incorporate blog posts in their content strategies, making blogs one of the top 3 media formats used today. Your Google SERP ranking will improve, your expertise will be displayed, and you'll engage with people in interesting ways if you have a blog. It's clear to you how crucial a blog is for your B2B company. Both authority and excellent content written with Google's algorithm in mind are essential.